This is how to do a creaking door or crunching sound with your bow. So you're going to have your bow hold set, hand up for your instrument. What I'm going to do is actually mute the string. So I'm just laying my fingers on top of the string so we don't hear an open string sound. We're going to test out how it sounds with them muted and unmuted. And then all I'm going to do is set my bow here where my arm is heaviest and press down into the string using my knuckle and my arm weight. I'm not squeezing on my bow hold. I'm just using my arm weight. And I'm going to do the slowest bow and use a lot of that arm weight to get the crunching sound that normally we want to avoid, but here's what it'll sound like if I add that crunching sound in. So it sounds like a creaking door back and forth. If I do that without my muted sound, it just gets a little bit more of the string noise in. So I like to mute it so it sounds really just like the creaking door opening. Again, remember, you're not squeezing with your bow, you're just using all of your arm weight onto the string.